Welcome! In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to toggle touchpad on this laptop. To do this, open the Start menu, then using the Tab button, go to Settings. To navigate, use arrow buttons, open Settings, then go down to the Bluetooth and devices, using arrow buttons, press Tab a couple of times until you hit the devices section, then scroll down using arrow buttons, and then select touchpad, pressing enter, and then press spacebar to turn the touchpad on. Turn it off, you can use the spacebar too. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.